Alright, so I ran into two stock charts that I really liked as I was looking at some scans right now. First one being Best Buy, symbol BBY. If you look at the daily chart on Best Buy, number one, you have a gap here. First level 3120, gap fill, even number 33, and notice where this purple line is, that's your 200-day moving average. That is at 32.88. Taking a closer look here, obviously Best Buy gapped down here on January 16th of this year, making a high of 28.22 here. Pulled back, bounced, retested that same level at 28.20. That failed. Kind of went sideways for a bit. Tried again here, made a high of 27.94. That failed. Bounced here. Bounced here. Tried that level again recently on May 30th, making a high of 28.25. That failed. And today closed at 28.55. So what that tells me is that this major level of resistance is now broken for the first time in about 6 months, really. Best Buy has finally closed above this 28.20 level. This now, I'm going to update that, 28.20. This now is support on Best Buy here, 28.20. As you can see here today, it closed at 28.55. The high was 28.62. Taking a closer look here at the 10-minute chart. There you go. First candle of the day broke through that level. Second candle pulled back, but then went right back up, and really just a nice strong move. So I really like this chart. My first target on Best Buy would be this 31.20, and again that just comes from this gap here. It's your gap window, and once it breaks that level, if it does break that level, watch this 33 even number. Currently the stock is trading at 28.55. This would be a very nice move. Just to kind of, if you look at this pattern here, I'm going to show you guys Dow. Very similar pattern here. Made a high here of 50.96, high here 50.95, failed. Tested it again here, broke through that level. Here made a low, a higher low, and a higher low. Once it broke through that level, as you can see here, Dow really had a nice move to the upside. So if you just compare the pattern to Best Buy here, BBY, it's a very similar pattern. Alright, so watch this again as support, and this would be my first target on Best Buy. The next one is a cheap one, a cheap stock. It's trading at $4.33. The symbol is WLT, Walter Energy. This stock January of this year was trading at $16. Right now it's at $4. So this thing is really sold off. I don't know why. I don't know the news behind it or anything, but this thing is way oversold in my opinion right now. If you look at the weekly chart and zoom out all the way out, if you connect this pivot low here with this one here close, look where that takes you. There we go. So again, right here, this pivot low, and if you want the exact number, the low here was 426. This low here, 415. If we fast forward all the way to today, yesterday it made a low of 425. Today made a low of 426. So technically this made a higher low. I do like the candle also. Again, in my opinion, this is oversold. I would expect to see a bounce. Your first level to watch would be your 20-day moving average. This blue line here, currently at 584. So I'll keep these two on watch for tomorrow, and we'll see how they play out. Alright, thanks again for watching.